empaka ez'ihindira hari St Helens Nyamitanga kandi ahibuhwerire Uganda Martyrs P chikopo ubwo kusinga amashomero garukuhika 10 agari hansi ya parish ya Nyamitanga.
Life is a debate. Do you know that?
Yes.
It is a debate. A debate between what is right and what is wrong. As you debate about preserving environment, how to implement the Laudato Si as given by our Holy Father, how to be good friends of environment, that you don't harm the environment and the environment does not harm you.
Most of us, we have learned very many new things. So when we go, let us continue with the spirit, and what we have got here, it should continue.
Banaba batiri mubwire nicyo twenka tutiri mubwire nangwa twatamuna other resources ezo kureba ngo abana babaka level 18 no kugira ngo umwe limitations bazuruho konka we have even more teams twine teams ezuru kurenga hezi kubasa gukora ikindi kintu kirunje munonga mu debate.
Abebembiro kutebekanisa empaka ezino bagira ngo bine kitekateko cyo kuzugumizamo mpaka harengo rwa Archdiocese.
The people who live in it are not even allowed to shape it. Honorable members, today we stand to reflect the truth. Leadership is service.
The main role as to why we organize this debate tournament, it's because we are trying, as the Archdiocese of Mbarara, we are not only trying to impact religion and religious skills amongst our children, but we're also looking at things like improving on their public speaking skills, communication skills, and confidence.
So when you cut a tree, it's like you are cutting your brother. So you must make sure that you preserve a tree because it gives you oxygen, not so? And you give it carbon dioxide, not so?
Also say that people people depend on these activities, but then we actually identify that as a problem in today's debate. If they actually depend on this, why is it then a problem in today's debate? So chair,
okurigera Abahango Obwegyese ez'okuhaajaana ningashi debate nugumwa miringe rukwera bejo kukora kurungi hamwe no kurugamwa bebembezi banyensya abarukumanya kushobora ahabwa TV West ndera akiza.